trying to improve systems in laboratories. All we're doing is looking at each little step of the way. We break down the process into smaller and smaller steps until we get to a simplest single step where we have just one particular thing happening. And at that point, we can look at that process and say, what do we need to control for this process? What do we need to provide to make this process run properly? And this could be something like doing in vitro fertilization, adding the sperm to the eggs, or it could be doing ICSI, the sperm microinjection technique. It could be something just looking at a fertilization check to see if the egg is fertilized, or looking on day 2 or day 3 to see how well the embryo is developing. But we must control that process as best we can to make sure that we're providing the best support and that we're controlling those factors that could be negative, and that we are providing all the things that are known to be required for the biology. And if you do that for every single step all the way through, you will see improvements in the final outcomes. You will see improvements in different stages along the way, but all those add up to the end to an improved outcome, which means higher pregnancy rates, achieving the same pregnancy rates with fewer embryos being transferred. Our goal ultimately is to have, the ideal outcome from a treatment cycle is the birth of a healthy single child.